everybody, today I'm going to make pancakes out of the plantain. This is the sweet plantain, yellow. As you can see, I let it ripe very well, and once I see it nice and ripe, I stick it in the fridge so it doesn't keep on ripening, because it will keep on going and then it will just spoil. Okay, so once they're nice and soft like banana, that's when I like to make pancakes, because they come out very sweet and very tasty. So we don't need to add no sugar, nothing like that, because this already has the sweetness. Let's begin. Let's peel this up, and this is so easy. You just break the top, and like they're so soft that you just need to just peel it like a banana. I just break the tip and that's it, and then they're easy just to peel off. In it goes. I just break it with my hand and just put it in there. I'm gonna add like 3 of them. Okay, so I put like 3 plantains in here, and whatever's left I put it in a zippy bag, a Ziploc bag, and put it in the freezer. So whenever I crave for something like this, I just take it. Or I usually do like the oatmeal, I do hot meal of plantain, which one day I will upload, don't worry. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add, this is I believe 1 cup. Yes, I'm going to add 1 cup, but this is half a cup I'm using. So I'm going to add 1 cup of flour. It could be any flour. If you want to use chickpea flour, by all means go ahead. And now I'm going to add some water, or if you prefer to use juice or coconut water, go ahead. I usually mix them. I'm going to add 1 full tablespoon of baking powder. Alright, so now we're going to blend it. If you wish, you can add more flour to have it more like pancakey style. Usually they would add eggs in this, okay? If you do eat eggs, well, you can add 2 eggs. Okay, so it's done. I blended it up, and as you can see the consistency, how it looks. It's nice and not too thick and not too watery. Okay. Alright, so I'm too lazy, so I'm using the same blender and a nice scoop spoon, and my pan is already hot, so all I do is just take 1 nice scoop and put it on there, and another one. Just be careful, since your pan is hot, it might burn quickly, so lower it down once your pan is hot. The edges turn brown, I turn it, and it's very simple as that. These are very tasty to eat. Trust me, my kids love it. They don't take too long once the other side is done. So we will start picking it up, and I'll put it on a paper towel so the excess oil will come out. This one needs a little bit more. It's a little bit light. And like so. Alright my friends, so here's the results, and I hope you try it out. It's very easy, quick to prepare for any breakfast. When you're in a hurry, just blend it up and it's ready. You can even have it ready frozen and just throw it in a blender with the flour, baking powder, and it's done. You can put very light oil, but it does need oil so it doesn't stick. But it's not necessary to use too much. Thank you all for your support, and thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe if you're new, and hope to see you again in the next video. Happy cooking! Bye!